Guys, I got Xbox Series X and the customer said the disk drive is not reading any games. So what I do today, I will try to change the lens for the Xbox for the console, but unfortunately I don't have lens for Xbox Series X. So I will try to use the lens for Xbox One. I'm not sure if this one is compatibility with this model, so I hope you enjoy and I hope everything is doing good. Let's try to do it. Alright, I already opened the console. I don't need to make a long video. This is the disk drive for the Xbox Series X, and this is for the Xbox One. It's almost same thing. If you see here, they have just extra a plastic piece here, and they have like the notch, like something like that. Anyway, so I will take the lens from Xbox One to Xbox Series. Let's try to do it. Alright, I will try to test the console right now. As you can see, the disc is working. Thank you for watching, and I'm happy because this is the first time I use the lens for the Xbox One to Xbox Series X. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel.